Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Musa Kaula have been dragging and exposing people like hell this festive season. Okay, I don't really know what's going on with him, but wow, a lot has been happening on his side. He have been exposing everything and just saying his mind without even thinking about the next person. In this post, Musa Kaula shared a video showing musician Prince KB riding his bike on an open road and labeled it dangerous living. And at some point, like it gives mixed emotions, man. And some fans actually think Uguchi he was drunk, maybe, which I don't think so, because he have been posting things, especially on his Twitter account. He have been posting things, and at some point you'll actually sit down and say, what's going on here? Like, why is he saying these kind of things? It's like he don't even consider anyone. Like, he does not consider anyone. He just says his mind, and that's it. Whether you take it or not, it's up to you. Like, he does not care. And when I say things have been exposed before even the end of December, like, things are being exposed left, right, and center. Things are just thrown into the internet. And if you are someone out there, especially these well-known people, having some chende being hidden, just know what anytime your chende can be out there. Your situation, your things can be out there in the public for everyone to know. And it's bad. Like, it's really, really bad, because there is Musa Kaula out there, and he can go anywhere, guys. Like, he can go as far as to expose a very sensitive information. He can expose receipt. He can, like, guys, that's Musa Kaula for you. And like, at this point I don't even know what to say, because wow, a lot have been exposed, and there's nothing else we can do, man. We just move on. We just react at that moment, and talk about it at that moment. And yes, there are people actually calling him out with Musa. No, you can't do that. Like, what are you saying?